Time to have a little fun this holiday weekend. Make sure you grab your sunscreen and hydrate. Let's go. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Happy 4th of July weekend, Localtarians. Let's get this going. Kick off some great vibes for our holiday for July 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. All right, everybody, make sure you don't forget your sunscreen and hydrate really well while you're out there in this heat. Enjoy some great summer fun and a little bit of fireworks. Let's get into it with some amazing events. Let's go Friday! Pride Month at Sea Life Aquarium, $34.99 and up, going on until July 1st. Come on out and enjoy a little bit of sea life with pride. 10 a.m. A Dash of Dave, VFX and game production experience at Dave's School. 11:30 a.m. Grand opening of Ceylon Roddy Hut at A La Carte. All right, guys, they're introducing yet another great truck, so come on out and enjoy amazing variety at A La Carte today. 12 p.m. Star Spangled 4-day celebration at Promenade at Sunset Walk, and it's free, so sounds like a great way to come out and enjoy your holiday. 3 p.m. Story time with Ollie at Joy Bird Books, another great free event. 4 p.m. on Friday, Orlando Music Festival at Central Florida Fairgrounds. This will be going on until July 3rd. $65 and up will get you into this epic music festival. 5 p.m. German Flight Night and Empanadas at Swirlery Wine Bar. 6:30 p.m. 152 Productions presents July 1st Bloodbather, L'Exquisite, Doler, Royal Hearts, and many, many more playing at Haven Lounge. So come on out for this epic chance to enjoy local music. 7 p.m. Red, White, and Blue Americana at Winter Garden Downtown Historic District. Going on from now until July 4th, so come on out and check out the amazing historical area. And last but not least for your Friday, 11:59 p.m., Freaky Fridays, Forbidden Zone at Indian Theater. During the late 70s, Richard Elfman and his younger brother Danny got together with fellow musicians, friends, and formed a theater group known as the Mystic Knights of the Oingo Boingo. Come on out and enjoy this amazingly freaky film all about it. All right, guys, if you want even more great events, whether it be for your holiday or every day, you can go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. And at the top of the page, every single day, we will have a list of events for that day. They do come out about 2 p.m. the day before in our feed, so make sure you check it out and see what you think. Also, guys, if you're trying to start off on a fresh journey, make sure you check out our Eat Right Food and Fitness Journals. We also have the You Got This Bitch Fitness Journals as well. And of course, make sure that you ring that bell because we do this every single week. Make sure that you do subscribe to us here at Local Love and check out some of our other videos. All right, guys, you know what that means. It is heating up, baby. We are starting up the fireworks. Saturday! 11 a.m. First annual chili cook-off at the Veranda at Thornton Park. $20. You can come out and check out all these amazing chilies for yourself. 1 p.m. grand opening, Winter Park location at Bite Bound, 1100 South Orlando Avenue, Winter Park. Come on out and welcome them to the neighborhood. 2 p.m. School of Rock at Theater South Playhouse. $32 to $42 will get you into this great theater production going on until July 3rd. 3 p.m. on Saturday, Barley and Vine's Independence Day Party at Barley and Vine Beer Garden. 4 p.m. Summer of Magic, the Out of Control Magic Comedy Dinner Show at Wonderworks Orlando. $23.99 up to $33.99. Come on out, see a little magic, some popcorn, some pizza. You know the drill. The kids are going to love this one, and you're getting a great deal going on now until August 7th. 5 p.m. Rock, Freedom, and Fireworks at Ryder Park. Come on out and celebrate your Independence Day in style. We look forward to seeing you guys out there. 6 p.m. Red, White, and Blue Big Bang Takeover at Secrets Hideaway Resort and Spa. 7 p.m. on Saturday, House Vibes and Brews with Frank Maddock, Danny G, and YOLO at Hourglass Brewing. Come on out and grab yourself a nice pint of Hourglass beer and check out some local music. 8 p.m. Leatherette, Room 13, Fond, The Amphetamines at Will's Pub. $10 to get into this amazing show. And of course, you'll be able to hobnob with some of the best local musicians in town. So get out there, grab you some great to drink, and hang out with some cool people. All right, guys, and last but not least for your Saturday night, 10 p.m., Yard World Entertainment presents Beachwear Affair at DeJunction Island Bar and Grill. And that's $10 and up to come out for this special summertime event. And let them know the local love sent you their way. Alright guys, so in addition to taking care of yourself this 4th of July, make sure you're drinking lots of water and staying as cool as possible. Make sure you show some love to our local musicians. They're going to be out there playing all over town and letting you guys know what it's about. So make sure you check them out. We do have a local love sound off playlist on our Spotify. You can find our Spotify at Amanda Irene Hope. So make sure you check it out, like the list, and enjoy. Alright guys, you know what that means. It's time. It is time to finish off this weekend strong. Sunday! Alright guys, 10 a.m. Red, White, and Boom at Legoland. Going on till July 4th. This will be a great chance for you to take the kids, spend a little time, and have some fun. 10:30 a.m. Drag Brunch Independence at Island Time. $15. Come out and brunch it up. Enjoy some good times and put on your dancing shoes. And next we have the Summer Art Camp at Orlando Museum of Art. $50 up to $250. You can have a great time and let the kids enjoy learning all about art this summer. Going on now until August 9th. So come on out and let them explore art this summer. 12 p.m. Uncomfortable Brunch, the Virgin Spring at Enzian Theater. All right, guys, you want to get a little antsy in your pantsy? This is the perfect movie brunch for you. Come on out, a little bit uncomfortable of a movie. You're going to enjoy some great times with similar-minded people, and it will be interesting. So come on out and support this great event. 2 p.m. Franco's Freedom Flop Fest at Freedom at Hourglass Brewing, Longwood. 0 all the way up to $25 will get you in. Come on out and enjoy this amazing belly flop contest. All right, guys, 4 p.m. Independence Day Party. Red Hot and Boom at Crane's Roost Park. And, of course, as always, it is free. Guys, it's going to be hot, hot, hot out, so make sure you bring your sunscreen, maybe an umbrella for shade, and lots of water, guys. I know you want to have a few adult beverages too, but make sure you get some water in your system as well so that you guys stay safe and enjoy. It will be crowded, so make sure you arrive early so that you can get a good place to park and find shade and keep cool, but most of all, have fun. Drink responsibly, everybody. Let's get you home safe after the 4th. 5 p.m. Great American Block Party at Lake Nona Town Center. Come on out and celebrate Independence Day and all the fun that Lake Nona Town Center has to offer. Come on out and enjoy a lot of folks, a lot of food, and a lot of good times. 8 p.m. Valiant Thor, Savage Master, Early Moods, American Party Machine at Will's Pub. $15 will get you into this star-spangled event. And let me tell you guys, if you've never seen American Party Machine live, they are hysterical. Love them so much. Very wrestling themed. You don't want to miss this show. Let them know that Amanda said hey. All right, guys, and last but not least for your Sunday holiday weekend night, 10 p.m., Social Reggae-lution, Orlando at Rum Jungle. All right, guys, 18 plus party, 21 plus to drink, of course, and $20 to $30 will get you into this special reggae event, so don't miss it. All right, guys, make sure you drop us a comment down below. Let us know about all of your events, and don't forget to follow us on our other platforms. All right, guys, have a happy and safe 4th of July. Peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.